Hi, I'm Emma. I am a frustrated interior designer. I have this split bonus room with 2 spaces. Had a regular door going through from one to the other, and just kind of irritated me. It was a bit blah, and I wanted to make this room cozy and a good space to watch TV and hang out. This clearly was the obvious solution. Christmas Day, I was talking to my kids about it, and they went ahead and sort of egged me on a little bit, and my husband was asleep on the couch, and I hit order. So I'd been obsessing, and I had already measured everything out, and so I ordered it on Christmas Day. And full disclosure, the Murphy door shipped and arrived before I had actually confessed to my husband that I had ordered it. True story. My husband, after I had broken the news to him about the door, said, "You are paying someone to install this, aren't you?" And I said, "I'm going to try it myself," to which I got eye rolls, clearly. Anyway, I did it myself, and I mean, I'm pretty proud of it. I think it turned out really well. I mean, honestly, it was not as difficult as you might think. I hope you like it.